Hey guys, it's NYC Tech Boy here, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a Linux Mint virtual machine. First step, go download VirtualBox. I have it here, so we're just going to open it. Cool. I already have a Linux Mint machine. I'm going to remove it for the purposes of this video. So let's click New. Type in a name, Linux Mint. Click on Linux. Click on Other Linux 64-bit. Then increase the memory size to something usable. Create a virtual hard disk now. Create. I guess I already have one. And then I'm just going to make my Linux Mint like that. Go. Okay, Linux Mint. Make yours at least 11 gigs. 11 gigs. Okay. Now make it dynamically allocated. Virtual hard disk. Create. Perfect. Now go to Settings. Advanced. Bidirectional. Bidirectional. System. You don't need to do anything in System. Display. Increase the video memory to 128 megabytes. Storage. Now go here. Now this is the time where you go download Linux Mint. I already have it here, so I'm just going to select it. Linux Mint Cinnamon 64-bit ISO. Make sure to download the Cinnamon Linux Mint 19 Cinnamon 64-bit. That's important. Now go to Ports, USB. You can get the extension pack from VirtualBox's website. I recommend you get it. So I'm going to use USB 3.0. Without the extension pack, you can only use USB 1.1. So I'm going to use USB 3.0 because I have the extension pack. So now, click OK. Click Start. You can full screen this. Then click Enter. Click Start. Press Enter. While highlight Start Linux Mint and press Enter. Exit all. Okay. Exit out all your notifications that you get. And wait for it to boot up. Shouldn't take very long. Okay, exit out that. Click Install Linux Mint. Highlight your language. Mine's already selected. Continue. Now select your keyboard. I'm running on a Macintosh or a Mac. Now click Continue. Install third-party graphics. Software, I mean. That has graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and flash and MP3 and other media stuff. Now wait for it to do its thing. Erase disk and install Linux Mint. Don't worry, this is not going to do anything to your Mac drive, like your Mac internal storage. It's only going to erase the virtual hard disk that you created. So, yeah, it's not going to erase your whole Macintosh HD or your whole Windows drive that you set up. It's not going to erase all that and replace it with Linux Mint. It's just going to replace it with. It's just going to replace the virtual hard drive. So select your location. I selected mine. Continue. Type in your name. Tech Boy. I'm going to make a computer name, nyctechboy.mint. You can call this whatever you like. Make a username, nyctechboy. I'm going to type in a password. Now, since you don't need to require my password to log in because you have to log into your computer to get into the virtual machine. So it doesn't make sense to require a password to log in. Although if you're really concerned about security with this Linux Mint installation, go ahead, do it. But I don't recommend you encrypt your home folder. You can do that, but I don't recommend you do it. Now click continue. Now let that finish. We can minimize this, and you can play around with Linux Mint. See, look. Woohoo! They have Office apps. It comes with a whole bunch of LibreOffice stuff. It has Firefox, so we can go to the NYC Tech Boy homepage while it installs. None of this will be saved, by the way. So we can go to nyctechboy.info. Oh, I guess it doesn't work well. Okay, we can erase the HTTP. nyctechboy.info. There we go. Okay. See, look, it's here. Looks really good. We have apparel. I'm gonna demo our apparel while we wait for it to install. nyctechboy.info. And look, we have our amazing apparel. Hang on tight. Okay. See, look, we have apparel for all types. And with this secondary logo, we have a whole wide range of colors. Colors. Although with the primary logo, it's just black. So yeah, we have our podcast, PodTech. We also have our YouTube channel, that as you probably know of if you're watching this video, but you can go check it out anyways. And yeah, that's our NYC Tech Boy thing. And let's check on our install. It's installing our system here. We can do whatever we want to this, really. I can go into settings. I think I'll demo the settings on this baby. So you can choose a background. There's other backgrounds besides just Linux. There's other backgrounds besides just Linux Mint. So you can do, I like this one. Yeah, that looks good. But actually, let's take a look. I like the coffee one. Actually, I'm a New Yorker at heart. I was born in New York City, so of course I'm going to go for Liberty Island. Woo! That's a cool background. Frosted. So yeah, we're going to just wait for this installation to complete. Just so you know, nothing that you do right now is going to be saved. I'm going to have to change my background later. Back to this, but that looks so good. So yeah, we're installing our thing. So yeah, we're doing the install just fine. It's not going to encounter any problems. I've tested this a lot of times before I did this video with it. So yeah, once it's installed, just click the restart button and you'll be off and ready to go. So, thank you for watching this NYC Tech Boy video. Bye!